guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today we're gonna go watch a fireworks show. So it's a firework and a drone show. We can't light up fireworks at our house anymore because my neighbor actually called the cops on us several times this year instead of lighting up fireworks, which is also like kind of expensive because even if you don't get that much, it's still expensive. So to light up your own fireworks, you gotta be able to spend a lot, like for a good amount, for like the good fireworks. And this is my OOTD. I'm not really showing my OOTD, but this is my hairstyle for today. I'm just wearing a black shirt, some jeans, and some Vans. I think I'm pretty cute. So right now I'm gonna watch Knocked Up.
You know, it's a rare thing. I get to go to Legoland. Say it. Legoland! Don't get them all riled up before the kids. Shouldn't have given them all that meth then. We'll be back on Sunday.
So today I'm gonna go run some errands. This is my hair. Should I put some mascara on or not? Maybe I should. Telescopic and eyelash curler, and that's all that I do to get ready. I don't really do much. Honestly, I don't feel like getting ready lately, and also it's raining, so I don't want to mess up my makeup for nothing, like to just be in the rain. Just changed the lighting on my little mirror, and so this is my OOTD. I'm just wearing a Bucky shirt. My hair is in a little braid, some regular jeans, and some Vans. That is my OOTD for today. We're just gonna go run some errands. It's a pretty chill day, like I said, so we're just gonna come back home after we're done, and yeah, see you guys at the store, or in my car actually. We stopped at the gas station to pump some gas because I was running a little low on gas. We're gonna just get some things that we need, and I think we're gonna go somewhere else and then head back home. So we'll see you guys at Sam's. What? No, you're not. It was butterfly. Did you see that?
You just a noise. Let's go. Station. I don't know what we should get.
What the is this? What the is this?
I thought that was a pimple.
No.
You don't take this glass.
I was coming. Bro, I was out in my video like this. Chocolate leche, mozzarella, I feel so funny, dude.
Conquistarte que me pasen el manual. Espero lo que sea, yo no me voy a quitar. Tengo
So I am outside of my orthodontist office for my orthodontist appointment. I have a feeling I might get my braces taken off today, but then again, I don't know. I think so. Last time that I came here, he said we're almost done, and I was only supposed to have them for 18 months, and it's been 18 months. Also, Hurricane Beryl is hitting us. Right before I left to come here, the power went out. Yeah, it's crazy out here. Y'all be safe. I'm probably just gonna go in and see what happens. So this is the before. It's not there, right? Update, guys, I didn't get them taken off. So this is my last color, and it's only gonna be for a few weeks. So my next appointment is July 31st. I decided to do like a fun color for my last color. So today they just changed my colors, and told me about my last appointment. They shaved my teeth a little bit because they were not straight, if that makes sense. So they shaved them, and if you pay attention to the previous clip and to this clip, you might be able to tell. But yeah. So it's much later. It's actually 9:45 p.m. I just wanted to update you guys. So I'm just gonna study for my test. I have a test that's due tomorrow, and so I just have to study for that real quick, and that'll be it for this vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It was just a few chill days of my life, yet I still incorporated some self-care, and I'm still being a little productive. If you watched this far, please leave your favorite heart emoji in the comments. See you in the next one.